What's up today, guys? We're here at Mill Creek Regional Park, one of the most popular parks in Kelowna, but we came on a Tuesday and there's not many people here, so it should be glorious. Beautiful little boardwalk here. To the top of the waterfall, to the base. Base first. We'll go base first into it. And there we have the waterfall. She is mighty. Looks like we have some pictographs up there. They have to be ancient. All right, we are at the top of the falls. As you can see, there's a big pool down there. You can jump into that. I don't know if I will, it's freezing cold. All right, the trail kind of comes to an end, but there's a rough one that keeps going. And we'll take it. So we actually passed a sign that said park boundary, so we kept going. Left the park and we found another waterfall. I know you guys are gonna complain about our sandals, but it's our prerogative, okay? Everyone seems to care a lot that we have no shoes. Even more pictographs. All right, we found the end here. And it's a beautiful waterfall. There's a rope to go across. So most people just stop back there at the other waterfall. We kept going and found this little secret. Check that out. Woo! I don't think many people know about this spot. I'm at the top of the falls. One wrong move and I'm dead. You would not want to fall down there.